Hey there, I'm Amy Lavine.
And I'm Ophir Gross.
And we're with Coldwell Banker. We know it's a seller's market right now. However, you may be leaving monies on the table, and we want to walk you through on how to prep your home to make it more saleable through the 5 senses.
Starting with sight. When a buyer drives up to a house, the first thing they notice is curb appeal. And that's your one opportunity to make your first impression. People do judge books by covers. They will drive by the property if they don't like what they see on the outside. Haven't you done that?
Oh yeah, I've done that all the time.
So manicure your landscaping, trim your plants, and get rid of those weeds. Consider adding potted plants and pops of color. According to Remodeling Magazine, a new front door and a new garage door can add up to anywhere between 75% and 95% return on your investment. Consider adding lighting to showcase plants, trees, and walkways leading to the front door to make it inviting.
So on to the next is the inside, and less is more here. If decluttering seems overwhelming to you, don't worry, reach out to us and we can connect you with someone to help you organize your space. Small details do matter. Don't forget to dust the ceiling fans, the HVAC vents, create the ambiance before your showings. Make sure your lights are on and your blinds are open. But more importantly, make sure that your windows are clean.
Yes, that's right. Smell is the next sense and could be the most deterring. Be mindful of how your home smells. Noticeable odors can be a huge turnoff. Houseplants can naturally purify the air. If you're worried about the smells, we got a guide. Call us. Do not add air fresheners or scented candles. Buyers are savvy and will question why.
The next sense is hearing. Always test out your bathroom and your stove fans for loud, unruly noises. If they sound loud and obnoxious to you, it's probably a really good idea to replace them or fix them. And if you're concerned about traffic noise, let us come and check out how we can best help you figure out what the options could be when it comes time to sell.
So when it comes to touch, remember to wipe down your countertops, tables, light switches, cabinets, and door handles. The longer a buyer stays in your home, the more they can envision themselves living there. Make them feel comfortable. Find that temperature sweet spot. Not too hot, but not too cold. Make it just right.
Last but not least is taste. Everyone's taste is different. So reach out to us and we'll make sure to show you how to market your home to the masses to receive top dollar on your sale. Thank you again. We're Amy Lavine
And Ophir Gross
with Coldwell Banker.